Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I would like to show you the way how you can create a wedding invitation only with a Google Docs application on mobile phone. Now you just need to open your Google Docs application and tap into the plus button and click this new documents. The next you just need to write the title here. And then just go click create, and then make sure that you already changed the page setup. For the paper size, just the A5. The next you just need to change the page color into your favorite color here, and then just go back. And now you just need to go tap into this plus button and add further decoration by adding the image. Make sure you already have the PNG image so that you will got this tab of looks later on. Tap into the image and tap into this button, and then you just need to make it become in front of the text. So here let's just change for the margin. Tap into the page setup, and for the margin you just need to go tap narrow so that you can get a super thin gap between the documents. Don't forget to rotate the flower here. Make sure that you also make the area become smaller, just to make sure we are easily to edit the documents right here. Again, if you want to set the margin, you just need to go choose the margins right here. The next thing you need to do is just go adding the text right here. Tap into the cursors, adding into the specific area that you want, and tap the text here. And then make it center by tapping into this alphabet, tap into the paragraph and make it center. Now we need to block the text first. Back into this alphabet, into the text, and pick the font. The next we need to adjusting the font size to be bigger, and I want to make it bold. And the next you just need to add much more details about the invitation, such as like the wedding of your name and your partner. The next you just need to adding the location, date and time, and then go with the checklist button. Don't forget to copy the flower here or adjusting the flower size. And right after you're done, you just need to save it, and then you're done. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy this, and let's meet again into other tutorial.